Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. That is the third chapter. Okay, what is that? What is the daily materials of daily use? Students, in your daily life, what are the things what you are using? Especially in our daily life, we are depending or we are using that specially. It is very important. Necessary things are food, clothes, and shelter. Yes, already in the previous chapter, how we are getting the food, how we are preparing that our foods and getting from others. Already we have discussed. House already we are staying where that houses, that is shelter, and especially one is cloth. Yes, that is food, clothes, and shelter is very necessary things for human beings. Yes, for us. So what is that clothes? How we are getting? Yeah, this is clothes. Generally in previous classes, I mean 6th standard already have studied the fabrics of this clothes. Generally, often or we are making from the fibers, and the fibers what are the? That is one thin strand like, okay, thin structure strands which are we are getting, we are making that water fabrics, we are making that water clothes. Yes, fibers, what is that? Fibers is one thin thread like structure like ropes. You have seen that threads. So like that is also one of the fibers. Okay, we are getting these fibers generally from the animals, from the plants, and also we are making by the manufacturing by the synthetic way. Okay, by chemical way also we are making. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about that, how that we are manufacturing about these fibers, and how we are getting this, we are making that fibers or fabrics. We will study in this chapter. So let us discuss first of all what are the main points, main things we are going to learn in this chapter. Look at here students. First of all, we will learn about this here. What is that learning objectives? So clothes from animal sources like wool and silk. Whatever that clothes you are wearing, suppose may it is getting from the wool or may it is from the silk. The process of extraction of wool, sheep from breeding. Okay, sheep breeding. So that means the process of extraction of wool we are getting, how that process from the sheep. From the sheep we are getting the wool. Wool we are getting from the sheep, and silk we are getting from the silkworm. So two things mainly we are, suppose whatever the clothes we are wearing, suppose like wool and suppose wool and silk. Especially we are going to learn this chapter. Already you have studied that fibers we are getting from the different from the plants. Already you have studied in that 6th standard, that is cotton plants, jute and hemp, and that 4 types of plants fibers. Already have studied that in 6th standard. But animal fibers, how we are getting that fibers from the animals, we are going to learn in this chapter. Especially the fibers like wool and silk we are getting from the animals like sheep, goat, or that silkworm we are getting. So how we are extracting the wool from the sheep breeding, or how we are getting the silk from the silkworm or silkmoth, that we are getting, we will discuss or we will learn from this chapter. So first of all, that I will explain to you what is that fibers. Fibers are very thin thread like strands from which fabrics or cloth is made. Fibers is nothing but just like a thin thread like structure. Okay, and examples, suppose fibers are generally cotton, jute, silk, wool, flax, hemp. These are the generally fibers. Okay, but there are two types of fibers. These fibers generally two types. One is natural fibers, another one is artificial or synthetic fibers. Okay students, now this natural fibers, what is that? First of all, the which one we are getting from the plants or animals, that is called as natural fibers, and which the fibers we are making man-made by the manufactured by the human beings or man-made, that is called as what is that in industry, that is called as synthetic fibers. Those fibers we are manufacturing by hands, by manufacturing by the human beings in industry or factories, that is called as artificial fibers. So first of all, we will discuss about that. What is that natural fibers? The fibers which are obtained from the plants and animals are called natural fibers. Generally, those fibers are obtained from the plants and animals are called as natural fibers. Yes, from the plants already you have studied that in 6th standard. Cotton, jute, hemp, flax, these are generally we are getting from the plants. Okay, these are called as plant fibers. But what are the animal fibers? Those fibers we are getting from the animals like sheep, goat, okay, camel, then like silkworm. From that we are getting also some fibers. These are called as also natural fiber, as well as especially we can say it is what is that, animal fibers. So example, cotton, jute, wool, silk. These are the generally what is that, natural fibers. So plant fibers क्या है? Cotton, jute, flax, hemp. These already we have studied that in 6th standard. Okay, how that cotton plants we are getting, that cotton plant, cotton jute, that fibers, jute fibers, flax, hemp already we have studied. That cotton shaft materials we are studying, bags we are making from that jute, or rope we are making. That already we have studied. But animal fibers क्या होता? We are thoroughly will discuss how we are getting the animal fibers like wool and silk from that animals. Okay, so animal fibers are generally wool and silk. Did you understand, friends? Plants fiber क्या क्या होता? Cotton, jute, flax, hemp. But animal fibers क्या होता? Wool and silk. Okay, especially animal fibers also called as also natural fibers because we are getting from the animals. So these animal fibers, general example wool and silk. That in this chapter we are going to learn about that how that extraction of wool. Especially we know that, friends, this wool we are getting from the different animals like goat, sheep, camel. Okay, from that we are getting the wool, and silk also we are getting from the special type of species like a silkworm. Okay, that is we are getting silk earring, that we are getting from the silkworm, one type of butterfly like that species. We will study that how that in this chapter. So first of all we will discuss the plant fiber. Fibers obtained from the plants are called plants fiber. That is example cotton, jute, flax and hemp. Animal fibers means the fibers which are obtained from the animals are called animal fibers like wool and silk. These are called as animal fibers. Did you understand, students? So specially fibers are generally nothing but that is these are the thin thread like strands, and which are we are making that what are fibers. Okay, which are making the fabrics like dress, clothes and all that materials. Okay, and generally these fibers are two types. One is natural fibers and another one is synthetic or artificial fibers. The natural fibers are again that is the two types. One it is getting from the animals and another one we are getting from the plants. Natural fibers are two types, generally animal fibers, another one is plants fibers. Animal fibers generally wool and silk we are getting, and plants fibers generally cotton, jute, hemp, flax. These are we are getting from the cotton plants. Okay, these are called as also cotton fiber, that what is that, plants fibers. And already we have studied that how to extracting that cotton, how to extracting that jute. Already we have studied that in previous 6th standard. But in this chapter we are going to study about that what is that animal fibers. Animal fibers are generally two types. Generally we are studying, that is one is wool, another one is silk. Wool we are getting from the sheep breeding, and also camel, and also goat also. Sometimes we are getting from the goat also. And silk generally there is one special type of animals in, like that is there. That is special what is that, silk worm. Okay, how that in the upcoming video we will learn about that. Next classes already we will discuss about that. What is that, how we are extracting the wool from the what is that, sheep breeding. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.